Good morning, you guys. Yet again, the weather has changed. We're not 100% sure what's in store for today because it is pouring rain. Unlike the last couple days, we had really nice weather. We're gonna try to look at some property that's for sale, just out of curiosity mostly, but you never know, right? And after that, if the weather clears, I believe we're gonna go do a Canopy Zipline. And then tonight we may try to walk again. We have been doing night walks every night, but we've been rained out a bunch. And I never pulled out the camera to do an intro because of the water, of course. And we didn't really find much because, you know, the rain kind of shuts everything down. So we haven't been filming that because it hasn't been super incredible. Lots of insects and that sort of thing, lots of frogs. But just didn't want to bring the camera out to, you know, risk getting it wet and all that. So anyway, we're probably going to try again tonight, but to see what we can put together today. And hopefully the rain will run itself out and we'll have a good day for the rest of the day. We will see. Okay, you guys, this is a first for us. We are at the horse auction in Puerto Nuevo, I believe it is. And the Mesoamerican Rescue Center is eventually going to have 6 horses that they're going to do like a horse patrol. So it's a good place for him to meet people, talk to people. Most of the horses that they have now are donations. It's also cattle. Oh, it's very different. I've never seen anything like this before. So yeah, anyway, let's see how this is all set up here. I have no idea what to expect. Okay guys, so we're checking out this property. I don't think it's for us. It's actually really far off the main road and the main area, and you know, the house is just very basic structure. There are some waterfalls on this property, which is cool. It's very beautiful, very natural, lots of wildlife. The price is really cheap, but again, it just comes with its own problems. The price, I think, is reflective on the location. The government is supposed to come in and redo the roads within the next 2 weeks, supposedly, which is a plus. But again, it is quite far. It does have electricity. The house isn't so much. It's just very basic. But anyway, just checking things out. At least it stopped raining. Okay, you guys, we are at Aventuras del Sarapiqui. We are about to do some canopy zip lining. It's not raining at the moment, but it has been raining this morning, as you guys have already seen. and apparently we move a lot faster down the zip line when it's wet. So I don't know how much I'll be able to bring the camera out, but we are going to give it a try. And Apple, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, you guys, Pura Vida, we're going to give it a shot. Right. Kind of a longer trip for us. Usually when we go to Asia, we go for like
What's your name? Dan. Please, again, break just at the end.
Yes.
Okay?
Got it.
Yeah, lean back.
Lean back.
Cross your legs.
Cross my leg.
Ready?
Smile.
Yeah, but no, don't squish, remember.
Okay.
Don't squish. Very good. Repeat after me. Pura vida.
Pura vida. Pura vida.
Los tres que siguen. Despacito, creo. Tres despacito. Ready?
You said breaking
Yeah.
at the end.
Just at the end.
Dan.
Put your glove in the cable.
Dan,
Yeah.
say pura vida.
Pura Vida.
Oh yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay, thank you. See you.
Eso. Good.
Eso.
Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Costa Rica es pura vida.
Yeah, give me 5.
Pura vida. Eso. Canopy, Aventuras de Sarapiqui. Y
Look at he coming upside down. Junior's coming upside down.
¿cómo?
I'm sorry.
Ready. Pura vida.
Guys, we're super lucky out here doing the Zipline Canopy tour, and we came across a snake, and we didn't have to hike 6 hours for this one. It's a hognose viper, small one.
Y en el último, sí, el último es largo, igual, mano suave, todo el tiempo suave, no urge porque ya la mitad está en su casa, suave. Puesta la mano, sí, para que le dé el balance. Y atrás, porque usted acerca la mano a la polea, usted gira automáticamente. Usted la lleva atrás bien y suave, va directo. Ahí ese es el secreto, de ir directo.
Okay, you guys, so we're just done with the Zipline tour. Apple noticed one egg sticking out from underneath the leaf, and then she moved the leaves, and there were 3 more eggs. I don't know what type they are. Could be a parrot snake or something that size. These eggs are too small to be Trimarchon or Spilotes, but you can see the egg tooth made all the little slits. Cool, but I think we're a little late. That might be, could be up to a week already on those, but yeah, it's all right. When we're not looking for snakes, we find snakes. When we are, we're really working hard.
The video, just made.
¡Medio! ¡No!